Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We are at a house cleaning and a paver sealing project. Pretty big house here. Let me walk you around and show you what we got. Alright, so this is the actual house itself. It's the front part. We have all these pavers here. It's a circular driveway. These curbing guys are just finishing up, so they'll be out of here tomorrow. We're going to start in the back. Pavers are pretty bad. We're going to clean and tint these, so it goes down along the side there. Up along the front of the house. Do all this cleaning of all these walls and the outside of the house area. Alright, then we got down along the side of the building here. We're going to clean up all these stepping stones. Got a little fountain area here. We got pavers up there on the second floor balcony. We got two of these balconies we have to do. And then we're going to seal all these river rocks as well. Give them a nice shine. This back area here, all the fencing coming out to the water. Got more. Lots of pavers here. We got pavers down along the back here, and then the pool area. We're going to do a clear seal on these so we don't do any color enhancement. And we're going to use the pearl white sand on here. We have a couple of these pavers that we need to pull up and get leveled out. I'm just a little bit out of kilter. Then up along here, it's got some algae growth up on the chimney stack. Then we got a paver stairwell coming up here, going up to the second floor. So we got to clean and seal all these. Clean all this out. In the back area, clean this back area up here as well. We got wooden ceilings, so you have to be careful and overspray on that. Clean all this tile up. Fireplace. These pavers are probably about 15 years old. And I don't think that they may have never been sealed before. These guys just put all this landscape curbing in, so that's what they're finishing up out front. Up along the side here, and then back out to the front driveway. Okay, well, that's our project here for the next couple of days. We figure it's going to take us a day and a half to do all the cleaning, and then a couple of days to get all the pavers prepped and ready. So we have to tint these pavers, clean them and get them tinted out, sand it and seal. Going to make a giant transformation on these pavers. So, all right. So let's get busy. We got a lot of work to do here. It's going to be a beautiful week to do it though. All right.